top 10 from my series about top 10 things that you can find in India in the drugstore. So today's video is going to be a little controversial. I'm already sure about it because I'm going to be doing top 10 face masks. Now I'm really scared whenever I do skincare, simply because I feel like no matter how well I research, no matter how well I try, obviously something that will work for me will not work for you or for anyone else, and some things will work for everyone. So that's why sometimes some people feel that what I say is not right or not correct. So something might just work for me and it might not work for you, and that's like the biggest disclaimer I can give, because I'm sorry guys, no matter how hard I try, I can never be right for everyone in the world. So yes, with that being kept aside, today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 10 face masks that you can find in the Indian drugstore. All of these are amazing, tried and tested by yours truly, and yours truly loves all of these. So I'm going to be going in no particular order, and yes, all of them are under 1,000 rupees, so they're extremely budget friendly as well. Let's get started. The first face mask I have is a no-brainer. It was passed down from mother to daughter in every household in India. Yes, I'm talking about Multani Mitti. Now there are various ways in which Multani Mitti can be found. You can find it in a powder form like this, or you can also find it in like a soap form like this, or even in a chunk form. Now it's really easy to make a face mask out of this. This is just like any powder mask would work. So you just mix in water, rose water, oil, curd, whatever works for your skin type, and then you can apply it all over your face, and it will make your face young and beautiful and wrinkle free and smooth and stuff like that. Multani Mitti is like the greatest thing to happen to women out in the world. So yes, Multani Mitti is great. It's also known as Fuller's Earth. For those of you who are not from Indian origin, it's Fuller's Earth. So yes, my first top 10 face mask is Multani Mitti. Now this is extremely cheap guys. You can find it for like rupees 20 for like a kg or something. This is extremely cheap, but if you do go for brands, there are brands that make these like Khadi, like Fab India, like even Force Essential does Multani Mitti, but their Multani Mitti is for like 1300 rupees. So I was like, 1300 for Multani Mitti? That's way too much. Anyway, so the first face mask in our list is Multani Mitti. You can also like go for sandalwood powder. Now personally I feel sandalwood powder is a little messy, but it does wonders for your skin. So you can also add in sandalwood powder as per your liking. Next I have the Khadi Neem Herbal Face Pack. I've done a review on this, so I will link it in the bottom bar for you guys. Now this retails for, if I'm not wrong, about like rupees 80 or something for 50 gram of product, and I've used this I think about 20 times now, and I still have more than half left. So it's like a great product. It tightens your skin, it like reduces the size of your pimple if you have acne issues, and it gives like a really nice natural glow to your face, which is something I like extremely. So this is quite easily available in India, although there is an issue with Khadi's online availability as well as the store availability. Whatever's available online isn't generally available in stores, and vice versa. So I bought this from, if I'm not wrong, More in Kirtinagar. So I got it, I didn't get it from Khadi store, but there's like a huge Khadi store in Connaught Place. If you want to go to like a paradise to find stuff, then you can go to Khadi in Connaught Place, but I got it from More in Kirtinagar. Then I have these peel off face masks from Rishi Ratna. I'll leave their link in the bottom bar. They are like an IG based company, and I think they have a site as well. I'm not too sure about the offline availability of these, to be very honest with you guys, but these are amazing. I've tried the black vanilla from this range, and it works so great in cleaning out those pores and just like making your face look so clean and so soft. The best thing about these, however, I'll be really cheap in saying this, but they like automatically wax your face. They act like a hair removal as well, because you're peeling it off, so they get stuck onto the facial hair and then they get removed as well. Not all of it's gonna get removed, but yes, a majority part of it is gonna get removed. So yes, these retail for, I'm not too sure because it doesn't say the MRP, but it's under 100 rupees, and these are great. They have a lot of variants. So the variants that I have are lavender, then there's a neem tulsi peel off. All of these serve different purposes though guys. I use black vanilla, which is for like pore cleansing and stuff, which I really need given the fact that I have a very bumpy nose. So yes, next I have a rose, which is for baby soft face. Then there's strawberry, and last is oil control peel off mask. So all of these masks serve different purposes, not only the Rishi Ratna ones, but the ones that I'm telling you about. All of them serve different purposes, which I will be talking about when I talk about the mask itself. Next up, I have this W2 pomegranate face mask. This is great for dry skinned people. A lot of times people are only looking at masks for something that's going to control their oil, that's going to get rid of acne. Now people generally forget that dry skinned people do need a lot of help with face masks. So this one's great for dry skin. Now coming from a person who generally has normal to dry skin, I can assure you that this is extremely good for your face, because this just locks in a moisture in your face, which is great. It just makes it look very hydrated, very soft. It gives you a little bit of moisturization, which is all that your dry skin beauty needs. So yes, this is a really good mask. I got this in my MSM box, but I do think W2 is quite available, especially online. So I will try to leave a link for you as well as the MRP. All of the prices will be in the bottom bar because I'm not too sure of all of the prices. So yes, I will leave all of the prices in the bottom bar for you guys to check out. So this again is a really good mask. Next up, I have the Sea Soul Dead Sea Minerals and Botanicals Professional Dead Sea Facial Mud Mask. This is what it looks like. I got this in my fab bag and this retails for 995 rupees, 5 rupees less than 1,000, but still less than 1,000. So yes, the proof of this mask being good is that I'm almost about to run out of it. As you can see, it doesn't smell the best, to be very honest with you guys. It smells like no, but it works really good on the skin. It cleanses your pores, it exfoliates it really well, and just like extracts everything out, like zoop out of your face. This has Dead Sea minerals and a lot of minerals that they say. It has Dead Sea mineral, essential minerals for skin, plant stem cells. Then they have noni fruit, Moroccan argan, goji berries, a lot of things. And this is for all skin types because it's meant for cleansing it out. So if you do live in a metropolitan city like I do, where it's highly polluted, so your skin tends to have clogged pores, a lot of pollution is staying on your face and stuff like that, and this becomes a great mask for you because it's gonna clean the shit out of your face. Literally clean the shit. Then I have the O3 Dermal Zone Sulfur Cooling Mask. Now this is great especially for summers or for people who experience a lot of body heat. Now this is not meant to do anything except the fact that it's going to cool your skin down. Especially when you're experiencing summers, your skin tends to be like all inflamed. Now this is going to cool it down, and if you have fruits like mangoes or a lot of dry fruits, then you're going to feel like your body is emitting heat. Then this comes in really handy because it refreshes your face. It gives like a cool blast of mint. It does prickle a little when you apply it, but that's like peppermint working on your face. This retails around 830 rupees, I guess. Yes, 830 rupees, and it's like a really heavy bottle. Plus the mask, you need so tiny of it and it just spreads over your face so beautifully. I really like it. Again, the smell of it reminds me of peppermint, as I said in the beginning of the mask's introduction. So yes, it smells like peppermint and it doesn't like dry out. It doesn't dry out. It's gonna still feel a little wet, but you need to wash it off after 15 minutes. So yeah, this is like a cooling mask for people who need to refresh their face. Next up, I have Fab India Charcoal Face Pack. This is what it looks like. It retails for 280 rupees and the grams that you get in here are 100 ml. So now again, I'm about to run out of this. I really like charcoal and volcanic ash and Dead Sea base face mask, as you can notice by now, because they just tend to like extract everything out of your face. Now again, Fab India is really freely available throughout India, online as well as offline. So it's really easy to find these. And this smells like more like lemongrass. It doesn't smell bad, which is good because we like good smelling things, like always. So yes, this is really nice mask. Again, the only thing is that it's a little thick, so you might want to add a little water when you are applying this, and it just really cleanses your face, which I really like. It's not going to do a lot of things for pimples or anything. It's just going to cleanse it really well so that no more new pimples come out. It's going to like make sure your pores are clean so that you don't have new pimples, but for the already existing pimples, I don't think it's going to do much of a difference. Then I have this Blissent handcrafted body luxuries face mask in the variant chocolate cheeks. Now this is my baby right here. Like, it smells like chocolate, and it just, when you apply it, you feel like you're dripping in chocolate, and I would die for that feeling every single day of my life if the need arises. This just smells so beautiful, guys. I got this, I think, again in my fab bag, and I have been loving this so much. Again, this is great for people who have dry as well as oily skin, simply because it's meant to moisturize it, to hydrate it, and still not like overpower it, which is great. It has a lot of good things like bentonite clay. It has cocoa powder, oats, kaolin clay, and baking soda, which is great for every skin type out there. So it's like thebalm.com, thebalm.com, thebalm.com. So yes, it's a really good mask, guys, and the fact that it smells like chocolate, cherry on the cake. Yes, please, I'll take. Then this face mask is meant for all of the lazy people out there, or especially if you don't have time to like mix a face pack and then apply and then wait to dry and then remove it and stuff like that. It's okay, I get you. I know your life choices because I've been there. So I have the Innisfree sheet masks for you guys. Now these are great. There's not a lot of things that you have to do with these sheet masks. You just have to apply it on your face and like remove it after 15 minutes, which is great because you're essentially not working, you know. These retail for 100 rupees per sheet, so that again is quite economical. I have it in a lot of variants, as you can see, and I've already used like half of them, so this is the remainder lot. So I have the rose variant, the blackberry variant, the green tea variant, then I have the strawberry variant, the shea butter variant, the tea tree variant, the pomegranate variant, and the kiwi variant. Again, all of these are meant for different purposes. A lot of you have always asked me where you can find Innisfree online. I do believe MSM Box carries these. Like, not only you can get them in their box, they do sell it in their shop as well. I believe, I'm not sure. I will leave it in the bottom bar or write it somewhere here if I'm sure that MSM Box does carry it, but yes, we believe. Now lastly, I have the Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Pack. I've reviewed this. I will leave a link in the bottom bar for you all to check out. Now this is great for people who have pimples or acne prone skin, as this just really fights that. It's not going to completely get rid of the acne in one single day, but it will slowly fight. If you like clean up your face with this every single week, like once a week, it will help in reducing the pimples and the issues that are related with pimples. Now this does give you a tingling sensation when you apply it, and that's how you know it's working on your skin. So yes, I really like this. I think this retails for 80 rupees or 70 rupees, I'm not really sure. And also I just wanted to mention this quick fact that I'm yet to try out any Patanjali face mask. So if you've tried out any Patanjali face mask and you feel it's amazing, it should have made it to my list, then comment below, or you can comment below any other face mask that you think that should have made to my list and it's not here. Because a lot of times when I'm doing top 10, it's like my top 10. I haven't tried out every single product in the world or in the market for that matter. So yes, comment below, let your family know that you know these are also the products that are available, and we can just like make it a top 100 maybe one day. So yes, with that I finished my top 10 face masks available in the Indian drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you would like to see more top 10 skincare related videos, no matter how controversial they get, because you know the people who love us, we know they love us. So yes, now I'm just rambling. I'm gonna calm my nerves down. So yes, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you like this video for more such videos in the future. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye. Mwah.